Brief accurate and important news of today's Saturday. The deputy spokesman of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs says, according to the special agreement between the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan and the government of Kuwait, 3 Afghan prisoners were transferred to their country today through the Interpol police. Officials of the National Standard Agency told the nation in the Government Accountability Program that the revenue of this agency has increased 5 times, and in the past year, it has collected about 2,200 million Afghans in revenue. The General Directorate of Intelligence says, in Khost province, the employees of the Intelligence Department accomplished operation in different districts of this province. Consequently, many weapons and ammunition, including 190 rockets shells, were discovered in seas which were kept illegally. The given lands to Afghanistan in Mecca and Jeddah, which were taken under the rule of different Afghan rulers, are going to return. In a press release issued by the Ministry of Irshad, Hajj and Endowments, it is stated that after returning these lands, they will build permanent residence for Afghan pilgrims. A dairy factory in the industrial town of Herat produces 100 tons of fresh milk, yogurt, cheese and other dairy products daily. The Ministry of National Defense says, consequently, in the continuous efforts of the technical and professional team of the Air Force, one Mi-17 and another Mi-35 Russian helicopter have been repaired and prepared for flying. The ministry adds that 75 helicopters and airplanes have been repaired and prepared for flight. With the rule of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, the desire to invest has increased. The administrators of a factory in Nangarhar say that they have invested $1 million in the production of plastic bags and have provided employment to around 150 people.